Good evening, everyone. Before the presentation, I will introduce myself first. I'm Yanti Gresonia Silalahi as moderator, and my college.
My name is Gita Mentalina Zandata.
My name is Cecilia Rahalat Venita.
My name is Zafira Putri Nabila.
My name is Evi Monica.
My name is Nika Tenau.
My name is Nadia Mutia Salsabila.
We would like to present a company profile majoring in informatics engineering, Batam State Polytechnic. How about the informatics engineering major? Let's start with the background in informatics engineering. Initially, the name of this department was a diplomatory program in computer science, which was established on April 3rd, 2002, with two study programs, namely informatic engineering and information management. In 2005, one study program was added, namely computer engineering. The led all study program under it. So in 2009, the diplomatory computer science program changed its name to the diplomatory program in informatics engineering. At Batam State Polytechnic itself, informatics engineering is a study program that is devoted to developing software and hardware applications. During college with this department, you will learn a lot about programming and computing and be equipped with software design skills. So there is hope that this department can become a network administrator who is able to run network administration, become a programmer who is able to create software applications, or become a graphic designer. The next one will be continued by Gita Mentarina Zentrato.
Okay. Part D, Vision and Mission of Informatic Engineering Department. Vision. Become a vocational department that is qualified, superior, adaptive, innovative, and closely partners with industry and society in the field of informatic engineering to support advance and prosperous Indonesian 2045. Mission. Active in the process of creation, science, dissemination, and application of science and technology in the fields of informatics, multimedia and network, geometric, animation and cybersecurity, through vocational higher education service and applied research that are quality, open, relevant, and in close collaboration with the community and industry with implementation of good institutional governance for a better life of the nation. Okay, next.
The next one will be continued by Cecilia Rahel.
Okay, thanks to the moderator. Next, I will explain the purpose of the informatics engineering department. The first goal is the realization of quality service, turning research and research in the fields of informatics, multimedia networks, geomatics, animation, cybersecurity, and software engineering, where the department will later make students more innovative and provide performance that is relevant to the needs of industry and society. Then the second, the realization of a department that is transparent, accountable, productive, and of high quality. And it is also hoped that students can make this department very attractive by providing good quality performance for each graduate. That's all from my explanation. I'll return it to the moderator.
The next one will be continued by Zafira Putri Nabila.
Okay, next I will explain about achievement of majoring in informatics engineering. In 2021, the Department of Informatics Engineering gets first place in game development category at the 2021 National Polytechnic Informatics Student Competition. Second place in the animation category at the 2021 National Polytechnic Informatics Student Competition. Second place in the network security category at the 2021 National Polytechnic Informatics Student Competition. Second place in Meta CTF Cyber Games 2021 International. In 2020, the Department of Informatics Engineering gets favorite winner of the Sumatran Cluster Competition from home Gadjah Mada University 2020. Animated video titled Coronavirus Attack by Geomatic Engineering Students. In 2019, the Department of Informatics Engineering gets the Pipet application by Polybatam Geomatic student won second place in the 2019 National Innovative Geospatial Competition. Third place Asian Skill Competition Riau Island for the Graphic Design Technology category by Denta Masida Karya Safira Animation Study Program. Okay, next we'll return to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Zafira. The next one will be continued by Mika Tindaon. Sorry, the next one will be continued by Evi Ceris.
Okay, thanks to the moderator. Study program in informatics engineering. The first informatics engineering main competence informatics engineering, which is a study program that specializes in the development of software and hardware application. And purpose. Purpose informatics engineering, the relation of service, research, and learning and research outputs in the fields of informatics, multimedia and networks, and geomatics, animation, and cybersecurity that are quality, open access, innovative, relevant to the needs of industry and society, and the relation of department that is transparent, accountable, productive, and of high quality, and work, work prospect. Work prospect of informatics engineering are programmer, administrator web, designer web, and designer graphics, and competence of graduates. The competence of graduates of informatics engineering are able to create of software application, able to create mobile-based application, and able to do computer assembly, maintenance, and repair. And facility of informatics engineering are workspace multimedia and networking lab. The second major multimedia and network engineering. Main competence multimedia and network engineering, product development, analysis such as source film and application. And purpose multimedia and network engineering are the relation of service, resource, and learning and research of output in the field of multimedia and networking that are quality, open access, innovative, relevant to the needs of industry and society. And the relation of transparent, accountable, productive, and quality study program. And work prospect. The work prospect of multimedia and network engineering are animator, videographer, broadcast engineer, and layout designer for media. Next, competence of graduates. The competence of graduates, network and multimedia and network engineering are able to develop multimedia content specification, able to analysis multimedia content design, and able to build computer network infrastructure. The next facility, the facility of multimedia and network engineering are lab VR, lab AR, DGRs, and broadcast. This is an extension of several study programs from the Department of Informatics Engineering and Multimedia and Network Engineering. I return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Effie. The next one will be continued by Mika Tindaon.
Thank you to the moderator. I will explain geometric engineering. Geometric engineering, the main competence in this geometric technical are able to complete work in the field of hydroponic surveys. In particular, analysis data, one's current, seawater samples, seabed sedimentation, sea depth, seafloor photographing, underwater object as an electronic device, analyzing the soil layer under the seabed and detecting magnetic object in the sea above and below the sea, make the matter. Graduates of this program have the capacity in the field of hospital data processing, namely 1 geographic location data, 2-dimension or size, 3 and or the characteristic of natural and or artificial objects that are below or above the earth's surface. This geometric technique itself also has several purposes, including realization of quality, open access, innovation relevant to the needs of industry and society, research and outputs of learning and research in the geometric hospital first. This mathematical graduate also has excellent job prospect where graduates can work
can work as statistical supervisor, hydrographic supervisor, and geotechnical in specialty, and surveyor, hydrographic surveyor, and geotechnical atau or specialist. And the facility owned by the geometric engineering department at the Stedman Polytechnic are about 2 geometric and geophysical information, and in the laboratory room, survey labs, hydrography labs, GIS lab, mapping labs, remote sensing lab. And the geometric department has 6 lecture and 2 laboratory assistants. And the head of the geometric engineering study program is Mr. Muhammad Zainuddin Lubis SIKMC. Next, animation engineering. Main competency graduates of the program have the ability and the field of mastering basic animation technique with pre-production stage with the stage of concept scenario, character formation, storyboarding, dubbing, and music or sound effect. Production with stage of layout animation. Post-production with composing camera shooting, editing, and rendering stage. The objective of the animation engineering major are the reliance of quality, open access, innovation, and relevance to the needs of industry and society. Job prospects that can be provided by the animation engineering module are animator, layout artist, or layout designer for media, modeler, storyboard artist, lightning artist, graphic designer. And gratitude competence that can be possessed by animation engineering students are able to apply animation principles in making 2D and animation and 3D animation, able to produce 2D and 3D engineering animation, and able to carry out observation in the field of pre-production. Facility on by animation department at Batam State Polytechnic Multimedia Laboratorium, ada broadcasting lab, Lab, Mocap Lab, and the animation department of the Batam State Polytechnic has 4 lecture and 2 laboratory assistants. And head of the Mother Animation Engineering Study Program, Ms. Sally Artuti Zega, SSTM MCC. Thank you, and I will return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Mika. The next one will be continued by Nadia Mutia.
Thank you, moderator. I will explain cybersecurity engineering techniques. Main competencies: graduates of this program have the capacity in the field of securing digital assets, good during transmission, processing, analysis, design, and periodic maintenance of cybersecurity threat and risk. The purpose of cybersecurity engineering techniques: the realization of service, research, learning, and research output in the field of cybersecurity that are quality, productive, and quality study program. Work prospect of cybersecurity engineering technique: the first one is cybersecurity analysis, cybersecurity administrator, network security administrator, cybersecurity awareness, and junior cybersecurity. Competencies of graduates have the ability and skill in carrying out the implementation of cybersecurity programs according to the assessment text. Have the capability and skill to manage cybersecurity governance, provide cybersecurity risks, and enforce cybersecurity governance implementation. And have the ability and skill to conduct an assessment security holes in the system in organization. Facilities in cybersecurity engineering technique, cyber forensic, and attack defense. And the next one is software engineering. Software engineering main competencies: study program focus on preparing applied undergrad. Next slide. Software engineering main competencies: study program focus on preparing applied graduates in the field of software development who have the ability to analysis, design, programming, quality assurance, and produce technology work in the function effectively, and able to independently become a technopreneur who can benefit Batam and Indonesia. Work prospect of software engineering, system analysis, database administrator, and software quality assurance. That's all from me. I will return to the moderator.
Thank you, Nadia. Okay, that's the presentation from our group. Sorry if there are mistakes in word or actions. If you have any question, you can write them in the comment sections of this video. Thank you.